Today I'm going to be doing a simple zombie Halloween makeup look for you. Now, last year I did a really kind of complicated, ripped open mouth, kind of exposed thing that you would consider to be like media makeup kind of stuff. So this year I thought I would start my Halloween makeup tutorials by doing a simple zombie look that doesn't include any special effects, so you won't need to use things like liquid latex and stuff like that. Most of the stuff that I am using today you'll probably already own. If you still want to look creepy but not too scary, so this is perfect for those that are like just going to a party or dressing up at work, things like that. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the foundation that you would usually use on a day-to-day basis. If you don't use foundation, it's fine, like I said, just skip this step. And also I'm going to be adding a slight bit of white to mine, just so that my skin looks a bit pale. I mean, obviously I'm not tanned anyway, but I just want it to be a tiny bit paler than my skin tone already, just so it looks a bit more like a dead person's skin. You can get any foundation brush that you already own. I'm just going to be using a traditional one. I usually use buffing brushes, but I'm just going to use this one today. And you just want to start dotting this around your face, kind of blending it outwards. I'm using the Ben Nye Neutral Set powder to set the foundation on my face. If you're a girl and you fill in your eyebrows, this would be the perfect opportunity to do so. If you're male or even if female and you don't do that step in your everyday makeup, then you can just skip it completely. I'm going to fill mine in just because I prefer the shape of my eyebrows when they're filled in. With zombies, you can really go any way you like. You can't go wrong with the eyes, really. I really want mine to look tired and kind of like bruised at the same time, so I'm going to be using black and reds and oranges and all of those kind of colours to tie in together. So I'm actually going to be using this palette here. You can get these off Amazon, eBay, all sorts of places, and they're only like £10 maybe. So they've got all of these colours in. You can find colours like this in shops around this time of year. You can find palettes from like Makeup Revolution and MUA in Superdrug with these kind of colours in that are quite affordable. I'm going to be using like dark like black and brown colour at first, and then working into like reds and stuff to make my eyes look a bit more like tired and bruised. And I'm going to start off with a dark brown and then work with a black on top. Show you how to do a bit on your head that sort of looks a bit like special effects makeup but really isn't. We're going to use an eyeliner, and this is black, and you want to kind of draw out the wound that you would like to have. Now before you do that, you're going to want to kind of shade in the area with a bit of dirt because zombies aren't clean things, they are like messy, kind of just come out of graves kind of stuff. So you want to get your brown eyeshadow again, and you kind of want to just shade somewhere on your head where you want to have like, you know, the wound or whatever. So I'm just gonna start by putting mine around here. I'm just gonna draw mine here. Now I wouldn't recommend drawing a whole circle. I would just do like where you want the deepest part of the scab to be, the bottom of it in black. like there, that will do. Because then you're going to have the top of the scab is going to be here, but it's going to be like skin. You could just dot it there, just to give you like an indication, and then you can smudge it out. You want to cover the whole of the wound in red. With a red eyeshadow, by the way. Once you've done that, we're going to go on to the lips. I want them to look kind of purpley, bruised, black, kind of dirty as well. Okay, so with the last fake blood bit, I just added a bit more to up here. I did add some here, I kind of like spread it out, put more colour on, just because I didn't like the complete wet look with this. Depends on obviously personal preference, but I think that this looks pretty good for a kind of makeup that you have got no special effects for. It looks pretty zombie-like. So you can always rough up your hair for this. Put a bit of white spray in your hair. I've got some here that I bought from Sainsbury's, and you could just kind of really go all out. I hope that you guys found this video useful if any of you are trying to create a zombie look without all the complications of liquid latex and all of those kinds of things. I think this looks quite good actually for something that wasn't created using media makeup. It was just eyeliner and lipstick. So I hope, like I said, you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see some more Halloween videos. Always leave some ideas for what you'd like to see in the comments, and I will see you very soon. Bye!